Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simpyholic. So how are you guys? I hope you guys liked my previous videos and I'm here with my next video and I'm sure it must be obvious from my getup what I'm going to do today. So let's see how it works. And today guys I'm going to show you how I do my makeup by myself. I'm not trying to teach you guys, I'm still learning, but I just felt like sharing with you guys how I do my makeup. So let's start with it. So thank you for watching, guys. This is the complete look. If you guys loved the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also press bell icon so that you can get notifications about the videos which I'll upload later. Thank you. Thank you for your unconditional support as well. Thank you very much.